Hey folks, clouds have built into our valley skies, and we're even seeing a few sprinkles out there right now. You look at the radar, and while there's not a lot going on, if we zoom in just a little bit, there's just a real little line of sprinkles from about Mercedes all the way back to the south side of Edinburgh, all moving northward pretty quickly. Another little batch down to the south. That's a sign of things to come. This is the kind of stuff we're going to see later tonight during the daytime tomorrow. It's where not everybody gets rained on. If you do, it doesn't last that long. It's just enough to need the windshield wipers for a moment, and then it's gone. But this is what we're looking at right now. Everything moving south to north, so should be up around Highway 107 here in the next few minutes and continue to move northward with another batch behind that. The clouds have kept temperatures a little cooler today, 60s, 70s, all within about a degree or two of 70 at this moment. Our dew points are up from yesterday, all with the exception of Starr County in the 50s now, and they're continuing to climb. We'll put it about 53 as the average, so we're still comfortable dew point wise, but you remember yesterday it was off the chart low down in the 30s, so it's climbing and will continue to climb as we head into tomorrow and Saturday. Low temperatures tonight across the area should bottom out in the low to mid 60s, so a mild night across the area, not as cool as last night. And then tomorrow, we'll still see clouds, probably a couple of showers, but because that wind is coming out of the southeast tomorrow, well, temperatures are going to warm up just a little bit, probably back into the upper 70s and maybe about 80 degrees in Rio Grande City, so just a little bit warmer. The normal high is 79. We should be right at that tomorrow. 92 on Saturday, within 3 of the record. And then Sunday, the front comes in. The drier air comes in first, but it's still warm. But then Sunday night, temperatures are able to drop significantly, and if there was another day on here, it would be down about here. Looks like Monday, temperatures are going to stay in the 60s pretty much all day long. Cloud cover picture. This is the high resolution satellite. We call it GOES-16, taking pictures of the Earth, and this is what we're seeing. A lot of clouds overhead. You can tell that just by looking up, but the close-up picture shows the same thing. Clouds have been pretty thick all day today, and they'll be thick all day tonight, and if anything, they'll get thicker before they go away. So tomorrow, a lot of clouds, spotty light showers like what we're seeing today. Could be any time tomorrow, just kind of passing like what we're seeing this evening. And then on Saturday, the sun comes back out. Temperatures warm up a lot. I think Saturday night we're still fine. Sunday, a weak front comes through. Initially it's weak, so we just see some sunshine behind it, but the cooler air, as I mentioned, comes in Sunday night into Monday, making Monday much, much cooler. Our chance of rain tomorrow about 20%, just spotty stuff. Dry Saturday, and then mainly dry on Sunday, probably about a 5 to 10% or something with that front. But aside from that, it should be a dry day. Rest of Texas, temperatures in the 60s across most of the state, up and down the Rio Grande, 70s, all the way out to El Paso, and there's a 68-degree reading up in Dalhart. A lot of the state seeing clouds today. This is the U.S. model, and it shows high pressure moving away, and with that, the southerly flow kicks in, brings the moisture in, gives us that shower chance tomorrow. Flow weakens a little bit. I think we see some sunshine on Saturday, a very warm day as low pressure develops to the north. A front trails out of that by Sunday. That front comes in here early Sunday, drying the air out initially and then cooling it off for Monday, Tuesday, and really most of next week as high pressure builds in from the north. At the coast, here's what you can expect. Take a look at the winds out of the southeast at 15 to 20, a moderate chop. UV is really high. The bay temperature 70, so is the surf. No advisories right now. So for tonight, a low of about 64, cloudy and cool, just a few sprinkles around. Then tomorrow, spotty showers, light stuff. Your high temperature a little warmer than today at about 79 degrees. Here we go, 79, 92, then 82 on Sunday, slightly cooler, less humid. That's when you set your clocks forward. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures much cooler, 68, 69, 74. And by Thursday, we're looking at 78 degrees. That's your updated First One 5 forecast.